In this example, we will look at the correct use of milestones and how they can assist with our shutdown schedule. If I look at outline level 1, area 3 shutdown, we will expand that so we can see the three main areas. The preparation of the decommissioning phase, the maintenance phase where all the work is collected, and the commissioning phase where we're coming back online. The preparation phase will generally have a feed-off milestone. This is a milestone that may have the only constraint in the project. It's the starting point of the shutdown. It works its way down to the run-out bins, the cleaning, and whatever other decommissioning tasks or operations that you might have in there, and it ends with a terminating milestone called equipment isolated. In the maintenance phase, we've broken this into two areas, 1 and 2. The maintenance phase is terminated by all maintenance work complete milestone, which we've yet to link. In the commissioning phase, we will have a return to service checks, all permits cleared, isolations removed, and feed on. Let's expand area 1 and area 2. In both of these areas, you will see two workflows. The operation represents an operation that may be from SAP, in other words, a task within the project. We have two workflows in this area. At the end of area 1 and at the end of area 2, we have milestones terminating area 1 and area 2. But if we look at area 1, we can see that only the second workflow is attached to the milestone. We will attach the first workflow to the finished milestone. Now we can see both workflows are terminated to the milestone within area 1. Area 1 will not commence until the equipment is isolated. So we will drag a link from the isolation in the decommissioning phase to the beginning of the first workflow. It then moves the workflow into the correct position. We'll also drag a link from the equipment isolation to the second workflow. We now see that the work breakdown structure represents the beginning of the area 1 phase to the end of the area 1 phase where it's terminated by the milestone. We will do the same to area 2. We'll drag a link from isolations. It's important to remember that all links should be logical and that we should not drive convenient linking, as it will make it difficult to manage a large schedule later on. We now see that we have two sets of workflow in each area, or a total of 4 workflows. All the workflows are terminated to the area milestone. In area 2, we see that the area milestone is terminated to all maintenance work complete, which will drive the maintenance phase. We'll also link area 1 to all maintenance work complete milestone. We now see that area 1 on workflow 2 is driving the work, or may in this case be the critical path. Workflow 1 in area 1 has lots of slack or float, and both workflows in area 2 have a substantial amount of slack. If we were to change the workflow in area 2, you'll notice that the equipment complete, or all maintenance work complete milestone moves with it. This is the reason for linking all the milestones at the end of each area. Rather than link all of these workflows down to the return to service, we will now link all maintenance work complete to the beginning of the commissioning phase. And so from here, feed off to feed on, we can clearly see that it is a 39-hour window. If any of the tasks change in this workflow, for example, we'll extend this one, we can see that the total shutdown has been affected and that more slack is available in the non-critical tasks. The correct use of milestones makes a big difference to how we manage and edit our schedules as we're building them, resource leveling them, and tracking them.